Hey everybody, I've got an unboxing and then a setup video going on for you today. This is the Hydrus Roker Plus Pool Vacuum. You just drop it in the pool and let it go. There's no cables, there's no hassle with this thing. Looks like a really sweet little robotic vacuum. I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Please be sure and like and subscribe. There's also a link in the description where you can find this item. Let's get into the video, let's check it out. Time to unbox the Hydrus Robotic Pool Vacuum right now. Okay, and there we go. We got some instruction manuals here, some owner's manuals. Looks like maybe a quick setup guide or user manual. 12-month warranty, right there. Very nicely packaged, as you can see. Looks like we've got a charger right here on the top. And we've got our retrieval hook right here for the robotic cleaner. That snaps onto your pool pole right there. Take a little bit closer look. All right, like I say, they've got it packaged very nicely here. Gonna go ahead and take off cardboard. There's your pool robot, the Hydrus. Let's check that out. Lift it out of there. That's a look at everything in the box when you order the Hydrus Robotic Pool Cleaning Vacuum. Alright, so here's a look at the instructions right here, the user manual. So the first thing you want to do with this before you attempt to use it is give it a full charge. And so go ahead and plug it in. It plugs in on the bottom of the unit, which I'll demonstrate here in a minute. So you do want to turn it over, get it plugged in. A red light indicates that it is still charging. When that light turns green, you have a full charge. So you do want to give it a full charge before you attempt to clean your pool with it. And once that's green, then you're good to go ahead and get it cleaning your pool. Alright, so we're going to plug in the robot here. Just right here on the bottom, there's only one way you can plug this cable in. Alright. And the little charger, I'll show you that. It has a light on it. And the charger is currently red. And that's the part that we want to wait until it's green, and then we know everything is charged up and ready for use. Okay, so here's a look at the bottom of the robot. That can only plug in one way. And then the charger, like I say, has a little red light on it. Indicator is red, so we're still charging. We'll come back when that's green, and then we'll get to do our demo in the pool. Alright, so just to give you an idea, I've had this Hydrus brand Roker Plus model robot plugged in for about 2 hours, and I'm getting a green light on the charger. All you need to do before putting your Hydrus in the swimming pool after it's fully charged is you just need to turn it over, hold in the button for a minute, and as soon as you get that beeping noise, that means it's ready to actually start working for you. So you can go set it in the pool, and as soon as you set it in the pool, off it goes. And that's all the setup there is for this unit. So once the Hydrus is done cleaning your pool, it'll park itself near a wall and it will alert you. It'll have like a sound when you lift it up out of the pool, and it has a fast beep sound. Okay, so to retrieve the robot, you'll want to put the hook on one of your net poles like this, and then you'll want to go down, and it's got a nice little hook on top of the robot. You'll want to grab it with that and just bring it back up to the surface when it's all done cleaning or when the batteries run out. It usually parks itself by the wall. Just bring it up like that, and then you can pick it up. And to turn it off, again, you just hold in the button. and that's how you turn the unit off. So when it's time to clean out and take care of your Hydrus robot, we'll take it over to some rocks and I'll show you how that's done real quick. All right, so when it's time to clean the bot out, it usually parks itself by a wall, and then you'll want to bring it over to some rocks or somewhere, and someplace where you can actually wash it out. So you'll notice on the side there's a latch here, and there's another latch over here. You just want to gently lift those latches up, or you can lift the top off of it. And then we're going to rinse out this filter and take out all the gunk that's built up in it. Rinse out the filter, rinse out all the stuff, and then we're going to put it back to work. Got a lot of leaves. It's got a lot of strands of palm tree stuff in here. Alright, to clean it out, you'll just want to pick this tray up, spray it out really nice. Get nice and clean. Filter, clean that out really good. Got a lot of stuff built up in there, just clean all that out. Alright, put your robot back together. You'll be back for another, be ready for another pass at the pool. This just snaps back in like that. Put your robot motor back on here like this. It just clips on. And off we go. Your charge time on the Hydrus Roker Plus robotic vacuum is about 2.5 hours. So the overall runtime on this pool vacuum is about 75 minutes, so that's not too bad. Currently, this robotic pool vacuum is running $269.99. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. Be sure and check it out. Hopefully this unboxing video is really helpful for you. Be sure and leave a comment. I would love to hear what kind of pool vacuum you're using, or if you're using the Hydrus Roker Plus vacuum in one of your pools as well. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys later.